Hello digital trailblazers. Are you ready to level up your online game and dominate the digital space? Today we're diving into concept that taking the search engine world by storm. Search ranking optimization, or as we like to call it, SRO. Whether you are a small business owner, a budding entrepreneur, a marketer on the grind, or just someone vibing with the digital world, this guide is for you. By the end, you will have the tools and mindset to unlock the next level of digital visibility and get your website the attention it deserves. So let's get rolling and decode SRO like pros. What even is search ranking optimization? Alright, let's keep it real. You have probably heard of SEO, search engine optimization. It's been the go-to strategy for websites trying to stand out in the massive sea of online content. But here's the thing, SRO is like SEO cooler, smarter and more strategic evolution. It doesn't just aim to get your site visible, it's about getting you to the top of the search engine results pages, which called SERPs, and most importantly, keeping you there. Think of it the way, while SEO focuses on ticking all the boxes to be found online, SRO is about dominating the rankings. It's a mix of data-driven strategies, user-centric design, and the latest algorithm updates to make sure your site not only gets seen but also gets clicked. Why does this matter? Because let's face it, when was the last time you scrolled the page 2 of Google exactly? Why should we care about SRO? Here's the tea. Over 90% of all clicks happen on the first page of search results, and top 3 results snag the lion's share of the action. If your website isn't sitting pretty in those coveted spots, you are basically invisible in the digital space. But it's deeper than just visibility, and ranking high builds credibility. People trust the websites that Google places at the top. It's like an unspoken endorsement. Hey, the site must know what it's talking about. And the trust translates into clicks, conversions, and long-term loyalty. In a world everyone were fighting for attention, SRO gives you the edge to stand out and shout, "Hey, I'm here and I'm awesome." How does SRO work? Now you are probably wondering, alright, sounds cool, but how does SRO actually work? Let's break it down into bite-sized chunks so you can start applying it ASAP.
First things first, let's talk about UX. Search engines, especially Google, are obsessed with user experience. They want to serve up websites that are fast, easy to navigate, and provide value. If your site looks like it's stuck in 2010 or takes forever to load, you are not just losing users, you are losing rankings. Here's what you need to focus on. Speed matters. Nobody has time to wait for a slow loading page. Optimize images, reduce unnecessary code, and use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to make sure your site is blazing fast. Mobile first design. More than half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. If your site does not look good or function smoothly on a phone, you are a toast. Easy navigation. Think simple menus, clear CTAs, and no dead ends. A seamless journey keeps users engaged, and Google loves that. You have heard it before. Content is king. But for SEO, it's not just about cranking out blog posts, it's about creating high quality, relevant, and engaging content that your audience actually cares about. Then it comes to keyword mastery. Understand what your audience is searching for and create content around those terms. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Thatware's Advanced Take can help you uncover the gems. Value over volume. Don't just post for the sake of posting. Every piece of content should answer a question, solve a problem, or entertain your audience. Number 3, multimedia FTW. Spice things up with videos, infographics, and interactive elements. These are not only make your content more engaging, but also encourage users to stay longer on your site. A metric search engines adore. Keywords are crucial, but they are just one piece of the puzzle. SRO is all about going beyond basic optimization. Structured data. Use schema markup to help search engines understand your content better. This can land you in rich snippets, which are basically ACRP gold. Now let's talk about internal linking. Create a web of links within your site. This not only helps users find related content, but also signals to search engines that your site is well organized and valuable. When it comes to backlink strategy, high quality backlinks from authoritative sites are the votes of confidence for your content. But remember, it's quality over quantity always. One of the biggest shifts from SEO to SRO is the emphasis on data. You are not just optimizing blindly, you are making strategic moves based on insights and analytics. Monitor performance. Use tools like Google Analytics, Search Console, or ThatWord's proprietary tech to track your rankings, traffic, and user behavior. What is A/B testing? Experiment with different headlines, layouts, or CTAs to see what resonates best with your audience. And when it comes to user feedback, don't sleep on reviews, comments, or survey responses. They can reveal exactly what's working and what's not.
The dreaded algorithm updates. They are bane of every digital marketer's existence. But the SRO, you are always a step ahead. Here is the deal. Search engines are constantly tweaking their algorithms to provide the best user experience. Your job is to stay updated and proactive. Follow credible sources. Hint, ThatWord's blog is a great start. Keep testing and never stop learning. Now, let's discuss about why SRO is the future. The internet is more crowded than ever. Millions of pages are being published daily, and attention spans are shrinking. If you want to cut through the noise, SRO is not just an option, it's a necessity. With SRO, you are not just optimizing for search engines, you are optimizing for humans. It's about understanding what your audience wants, delivering it better than anyone else, and ensuring they keep coming back for more. Now, let's discuss about the pro tips to get started. Let's wrap this up with some actionable takeaways. Number 1. Audit your site. Check your speed, mobile responsiveness, and overall user experience. Number 2. Target intent-based keywords. Think about what your audience is searching for and why. Number 3. Focus on EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness are key to ranking higher. Next, leverage AI. Tools like ThatWord's AI-driven solutions can give you the insights and edge you need to crush it into rankings. Last but not the least, be consistent. SRO is not just a one and done deal. Keep refining, updating, and evolving.
Alright, that's a wrap. SRO is the secret weapon that can unlock the next level of digital visibility for your website. Whether you are running an e-commerce store, managing a blog, or building a corporate site, mastering SRO will put you miles ahead of the competition. Remember, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. So embrace SRO, keep experimenting, and watch your rankings soar. And hey, if you are ready to take things up a notch, ThatWord's cutting-edge tech and strategies are here to guide you. Let's make those search engines work for you, not against you. Stay awesome, stay visible, and until next time, peace out.